guys, my name's Maille and I'm from Aussie Maille. Welcome to our chainmail tutorial channel. Hey guys, a big hi, hello, welcome, really glad to see you here. Thanks for popping along and spending part of your day with me today. Okay, so today I've got a simple bracelet for you guys to do. It's to do with the helm weave, which I've taught before in the basics playlist, but this time we're going to be incorporating some EPDM or stretchy rubber rings in the bracelet, so you can make yourself a really quick, nice bracelet that you don't need a clasp for. So it's great for kids and things like that. But anyway guys, enough talk, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so here's a sample piece of the Stretchy Helm bracelet that we'll be learning to make today. And popping up here on the screen now are the suggested materials for you to use with this bracelet. So you can freeze the screen now and copy that down, or it will be down in the description tab underneath this video. But as you can see, it's quite stretchy. The beauty of it is it's great for people that don't like clasps, so especially young children or even people that have difficulty opening and closing, say, the little lobster clasps or things. These are a fun alternative for that. Okay, so to start this bracelet, we're going to take up one of our small anodized aluminium rings, and onto that we're going to pop 4 of our stretchy EPDM rings. Okay, and then we want to double that small ring up. Okay, so your work should look like this. And then we want to take up our large anodized aluminium ring, and we want to put this around the small rings that we just did. Okay, and then close that up and fold our EPDM rings back again. Alright, so I'll just show you again how I did that in case you missed it. So we've got our 4 EPDM rings and our small AA rings, and then taking the larger AA ring, I'm just going to slip it around our small ring, so in between our EPDM. If you find it easier, you can get a twist tie perhaps to put those together so that they don't move. But usually with the EPDM, it's fairly easy to do it this way. And then just move the EPDM out of the way and close it up. And then fold it all back into position. So there we go, that's our first bit. So I'm going to do this in different colours. You can of course do it in whatever colour scheme you want, but I'm just going to open up a few different colours here. So again, we take our small rings, we go through one of the pairs of EPDM rings on the end, and then before we close that ring up, we pop on 2 more EPDM. Close that up. So our work looks like this. Double that ring up just by going through the same path. Okay. And then take up one of the large rings in the same colour, and slip in between that second pair of EPDM rings, go around your small rings. Then just move your stretchy rings out of place. Because they're stretchy, they're quite easy to move out of the way. Close your large ring up and then move your stretchy rings back into place. And you just keep doing that for all of your colours until you reach the length that you require for your bracelet. So just showing you again, take out one of your small AA rings, go through an end pair of the stretchy rings. Before you close, pop on 2 more. Close your small ring up. We want to double that small ring. So we just feed that through the same 4 EPDM rings. Close it up. So our work now looks like this. And then we want to use one of our large rings in the same colour, open it up. We're going to go to this pair of EPDM rings here on the left. We're going to slip our large ring between them, okay, so that's sandwiched between the EPDM, come out the other side, go around the small rings, move the EPDM rings out of the way. Because they're rubber, they're quite easy to manipulate. Close your ring up, fold it back the right way, and move on to your next colour. And that's it, guys. That's how you make up the basis of your Stretchy Helm bracelet. So if you want to go ahead and continue making it to the length that you require it to be, and then once you've done that, if you want to come back or restart the video, and I'll show you how we join the 2 ends of our bracelet together. Okay, so I've made the bracelet up to the length that I want it to be, and I've got my next colour in the sequence. So open up the small ring, go through the end pair of EPDM, and then before closing and making sure that your bracelet isn't twisted in any way, put the beginning pair of EPDM rings onto your open small ring, close that up, double that ring up, okay. So your work looks like this. Now we just need to place the final last big ring. So we just slip that between both pairs of EPDM rings and then close it up. This is quite simple with the EPDM because, as I said, you can just push it out of the way. It's a lot easier to do than, say, with a full metal. There you go, guys. There's your Stretchy Helm bracelet. And these size rings also make fabulous little helm flowers that holds their shape really well because of the rubber rings. So you can do up these to make a matching pendant. They're light enough to put on earrings if you want. Or you can make up a chain of these and make a bracelet that way. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Alright guys, well that's the tutorial for today. It really is a fun little bracelet both to make up and to wear, so I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe you can make yourself some pendants and some earrings to match. Alright guys, thanks a lot for popping along today. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up here at YouTube. Share the video if you like. And if you do have any questions or comments about this video, then pop them into the comment section down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you aren't a subscriber, then, please consider becoming one, as it really does help us out and it encourages us to keep going with these videos for you. And last but not least, guys, don't forget to check out the link up here to our store where we sell all you need for your chainmail journey. Alright guys, thanks again for popping in. I'm really glad you came along, and I hope to catch up with you again sometime in the very near future. Alright guys, bye.